One of the most important steps to maintaining your pool is understanding the chemistry. This test kit here, which I'll put a link in the description for you, is essentially what every pool professional uses. Test strips, which are easy and convenient, are very unreliable. They can be off a lot in either direction on all the parameters. There is no 100% reliable test strip that you can buy. This kit basically has all the components when you bring your water in to get it professionally tested, minus the computer. But you don't need the computer. This book that comes with the test kit tells you everything that you need to know. This panel on the top describes everything that you need to do to test your water properly. I'm going to go through a video on how to properly test your water. There's more than just chlorine that goes into your water. You need to adjust everything for pH, alkalinity, calcium, cyanuric acid, and this kit here covers all of those things. The book that comes with this kit in the back has dosing guidelines, which as soon as you get to the dosing guideline, if you look over here, there's a conversion chart so that you can convert teaspoons, tablespoons, ounces, cups, pints, quarts, gallons. You can convert them so that when you get the dosing amounts, you can do the math on there and then do the math, add and divide into whatever units of measurement you're used to. And it covers all of the components on there on how to properly dose your pool. This book is called the Pool Man's Bible because if you actually read this thing from cover to cover, you'll understand why certain things happen in your pool that are happening. It'll go over different reactions and chemicals. It's going to give you a lot of insight and explain a lot of things to you why your water does different things that it does. It's going to tell you proper testing techniques. It's going to go over everything with you and explain why your pool's doing things that it does. Even it's going to get into why your pool may be getting algae, maybe the filter's dirty, maybe you're not running it long enough. It's going to explain a lot of different things to you. First part here about testing explains to you about the convex in the water, how to properly do it, how to properly add the drops in. But you go further back, it gets into temperature, total dissolved solids, a lot of different science behind the chemistry. Explains sanitation, chlorine, goes through the different chemicals, chlorine, bromine, even peroxide-based solutions. That's about it.